Sophia Qureshi.
I'm Colonel Meghna Dave.
I'm Colonel Doming.
I'm Colonel Anshu Jamwal.
This is Lieutenant Colonel Kritika Patil.
I'm Major Dipanita Kalita.
I'm Captain Ojaswita Shri.
I'm Captain Shraddha.
मैं लांस नायक आसिता.
मैं लांस नायक मंजू.
Well, I would like to start with the quote of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, who profoundly said, if someone says he's not afraid of death or dying, he's either lying or he's a Gokha. That indomitable spirit now flows through every soldier and officer. Military leaders are the best leaders who stand tall with courage, compassion, competence and confidence in all odds and lead the troops to face the bullet and defeat the enemy.
In army, sometimes we are in -20 or suddenly move to deserts plus 40, 45 degree. And these kind of conditions are very common because frequently we move from one place to another place, from one operation to another operation. These are day-to-day challenges for any soldier in Indian Army.
Every day is a reward in Army, but yes, of course, the trust on me by the organization is the biggest reward for me. They have given me the opportunity and made me the first officer to command the highest task force at 15,000 feet. A special thing is when you see young girls and youth seeing you and motivated by you, by seeing what you are doing today, is a special reward for me.
As a commanding officer, I would say for every officer in Indian Army, commanding a unit is a cherished dream. And in addition to it, when I got the opportunity to lead the unit in the Operation Sindoor, that participation of my unit in this operation strengthened my belief much firmer that leadership is not just giving orders or taking decisions. It is about guiding your team through uncertainty, supporting them.
The horses have taught me to have the courage and to go with a leap of faith. Because once you have made it in your mind, once your aim is clear, and once you have locked your target, there is no obstacle bigger than your intent.
I joined the army in my 30s and I went for my probation when I was 34. When you wear this beret, earn this beret, you cannot just wear it. You have to earn it. You have to, go through such physical challenges, and more than physical, it is mental. And this, when you see any soldier wearing a maroon beret, a paratrooper itself, be it a woman or man, it symbolizes he or she can do anything.
See, fear is natural. I overcome fear by confronting it head on. If somebody says that they're not scared of jumping from 10,000 feet height, standing at the exit of the aircraft, either they are lying or they are, very well trained. So I fall back on my training. I have unshaken faith on my ustads. The training which is given to me, I rely on it and my fear just vanishes and I'm able to do it.
I have given 8 SSB attempts in the Indian Army and I've been selected 5 times. I've cleared my medicals but somehow could not make the merit. The final attempt when I gave, it was my last attempt as a age criteria, and I gave it and I was just telling the interviewing officer that no matter what, this is my last attempt, so I am giving my everything on this. And the merit came and I was Air 1, I topped that merit in that final attempt.
जब मैंने इंडियन आर्मी का फॉर्म भरा, मैं जस्ट 18 इयर्स की थी. 18 इयर्स पास करते करते ही मैं इंडियन आर्मी में ज्वाइन कर लिया था मैंने. फैमिली बैकग्राउंड में तो कोई नहीं था, मेरे दोस्तों में भी कोई नहीं है जो इंडियन आर्मी में है. सारे सिविल जॉब करते हैं, तो एक अलग ही प्राउड सा फील होता है उन्हें. जैसे वो किसी अपने रिलेटिव्स वगैरह को भी बताते हैं कि मेरी दोस्त इंडियन आर्मी में है, या हम जैसे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में पोस्टेड है, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के टाइम पे थी. तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड मोमेंट है वो सब मेरे लिए.
ट्रेनिंग के बाद जब मैं यूनिट्स में गई, मेरे कमांडिंग ऑफिसर्स ने मेरी मेंटली और फिजिकली पावर को देखते हुए मुझे जंप के लिए मोटिवेट किया और देन फिर आर्मी एडवेंचर विंग में भेजा. यह जंप मैंने 10,000 फीट की ऊंचाई से किया था, जो एक इंडिया रिकॉर्ड बना है.
That is the 3 Ds. One must dream, one must be determined, and one must stay disciplined to achieve your dream.
And the Chetwood motto, which is being